हेलो फ्रेंड्स। सो हमने लास्ट वीक जो मार्केट एनालिसिस किया था एंड हमने डिस्कस किया था कि जो निफ्टी है इट इज़ रेंज बाउंड फॉर अराउंड 1.5 मंथ्स एंड वी कैन एक्सपेक्ट डिसेंट वोलेटिलिटी इन कमिंग डेज। एंड जो हम देख रहे हैं अभी निफ्टी का चार्ट, सो बेसिकली इन दिस वीक ऑल्सो निफ्टी हैड टेस्टेड 15,900 एंड वहाँ से अराउंड 300 पॉइंट्स का उसने थोड़ा सा डिप, निफ्टी ने थोड़ा डिप दिखा। And also on Thursday, जो volatility थी, India VIX was up by 13% on that day. So basically, volatility had also increased. So whatever we are discussing in this video, I hope all this information and analysis is आपको थोड़ा help हो रहा होगा इससे. And if you are getting benefited from this video, so you can make sure to you can like this video and also subscribe to our channel and do share this video with others so that others can also get benefited from the analysis video that we share regularly. So let's start with the Nifty analysis video now. So as you can see here, Nifty is resisting it around 15,920 and support at 15,431 and 15,000. So as you can see, we market up still in this particular range, and जब तक ये range break नहीं होगा तब तक market will be in this particular range, will be indecisive. Basically, there can be no trade in this particular range. You can prefer to sell at higher level at around 15,920 and buy at nearer lower levels of 15,431. So this can be a range bound strategy for a trader. Also, one more thing in this. So, अगर if you are a buyer in this case, then try to book profits at around 15,900 or 16,000. And a short-term trader can look to buy particular stocks in Nifty or Nifty 50 stocks or in any other stocks if Nifty corrects till around the 15,431. And positional trader or investor can look to add stocks near 15,000, which is another support for Nifty based on this trend line. So these are the two important levels on downside where a trader can look to or an investor can look for an opportunity. So this is about the Nifty technical analysis, and if any of this level breaks, so let's say if 15,431 breaks, then try to exit your short-term position, and if it breaks 15,000, then try to exit all your investment or short-term position, whatever you have. And if Nifty breaks 15,920, then whatever you are having your position, hold those position, and probably if you see some reversal candle like this or some hammer or doji near the support level, then you can add on to your position in that case. So this is about Nifty analysis. One of the major concern that I am looking in market is ये मैंने इसका snapshot share किया था on Twitter and Telegram, and this sheet I have created on my own based on some logic. And so अभी इसमें अगर देखोगे तो सारे sectors are bearish, which is a major concern for me. And अभी अगर ये सारे bearish है तो possibly there are no sectors जो निफ्टी को भी ऊपर लेके जाएगा basically. So this is a negative sign for a market in short-term perspective. So basically, if none of the sectors are positive, so this can we can see some consolidation or downside move in Nifty in this case. जब तक कोई sector positive नहीं होगा तब तक हम लोग we can, if suppose some sector become bullish, and then in that case we can track those particular sectors in that case, and we can look for that particular stock in that sector. So this sheet, as I promised, I will be sharing this with our friends when we achieve around 1,000 followers in Twitter, in Telegram, and YouTube channel on our YouTube channel. So currently it is 485. So I will be sharing this with all my friends once we achieve our target. So this is about this particular sheet. And one more important thing is if I open this particular sector, then it will list all the stocks in this, and it will give six sign what should be done that in this particular sector. So this everything is being coded in this particular sheet. So this is all about sheet, and here also it includes all the sectorial stocks in this particular watch list. So as I promised, I will be sharing this whenever we achieve our target of 1,000 followers on Twitter and on Telegram and YouTube. So before starting with stock analysis, just to share something about market. So as you know that overall market had rallied for around last 1 year in this case. but abhi, there are some stocks that are trading near support, and there are some stocks that had given a breakout and are retesting. So at this particular moment, a trader should use the opportunity to buy those particular stock for their trading, and the risk reward is very much favorable in that case during retest or when a stock creates a support. So अभी हम वैसे ही stocks की discuss करेंगे in this particular analysis video. So let's start with first stock, and जो stock अभी retest और ये सब करेंगे. I will share some more. Uh, there is one more para to. So let's start. So first stock is Galaxy Surfactant. The stock had given a breakout above this resistance level, although candles are not so good, but still it had given a close above resistance line. So the trading plan in this will be buy will be near 3142, stop loss will be 3000, and target will be 3350 in this case. And the resistance that stock can get is at around 3294 at all-time high levels. So this is the first stock, Galaxy Surfactant. So second stock is Quest Corp. I will open a weekly chart in this case. So I will hide the volumes right now. I just want to explain one important concept in this. So यहाँ पे stock was in downtrend, and यहाँ पे इसने correct किया था around by 87% from 1300 to 160. And in this downtrend, it had formed inverse head and shoulder pattern, and it took around 3 years, around 2.5 to 3 years to form this particular pattern. So after this downtrend, it had formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a reversal pattern after a downtrend. And after this, the uptrend in the stock start. So basically, it had given a breakout already in this case, as you can see here. Also, the volumes were very high in this case. अभी यहाँ पे breakout और अभी ये retest कर रहा है at this particular level. I will just open a daily chart. So यहाँ पे breakout देके it is now retesting. Volume भी देखोगे retest में तो it is at lower side in this case. So it is giving a good opportunity. जिसने breakout भी किया रहेगा, but it had moved that much. So अभी थोड़ा opportunity दे रहा है for short term or an investor. And the trading plan in this will be a buy near CMT, which is at around 813. Stop loss will be 650, and target will be 1460. So the target I have calculated on the basis of the range calculation from this high to this low, and I have added this about the resistance line. So I have got the target on that basis. So this is about Questcorp, and this will be a positional trade, so it can be held for probably for 1 year or more than that. So just keep this in mind. And also the stop loss is at 650, so the risk is around 160 point in this case. So plan your trade accordingly in this particular stock. So the next stock is Biocon. So Biocon again, it had given a breakout above this red line. Just focus on red line first. So it had given a breakout. It retested this level again, and then again it is retesting this level. So after breakout, इसने Biocon के stock ने around 33% का rally दिया था, and after this the stock had corrected by almost 23%. So basically the stock is now retesting its previous resistance level, जो कि अभी सपोर्ट का काम कर रहा है. यहाँ पे अगर आप देख रहे हो तो यहाँ पे एक सपोर्ट, यहाँ पे दूसरा तीसरा. So it is getting support near this red line. So which is a positive sign for the stock. And I am now switching to daily chart. So as you can see, I am just showing you. So this is a resistance line for the stock, and this is blue line is a support line. I will just open a weekly chart again. So basically this blue line is a support for Biocon, and यहाँ पे अभी इसने exactly वहीं पे support लिया है, and immediately next support is at around 375. So a trader can look to buy this particular stock on dips. Currently the price is 380, 388. So I just missed one. So a trader can look to buy at around 388. Stop loss will be 360, and target will be 480 in this case, which is based on this particular breakout. And the first resistance, and the resistance for this particular stock will be at around 417. So if a stock gives a breakout above this, then it can hit a target of around 480. So this is one stock again for short-term purpose. So next stock is, it's a around 2-digit trading in 2-digit stock, and many trader will like this particular stock. It is a TV18 Broadcast. So this stock was also in downtrend for around in the last for around 1 year from 2018 to 19, and यहाँ पे the downtrend was from 70 to around 12. And again it is the similar pattern as Westcott. यहाँ पे इसने इनवर्स हेड एंड शोल्डर पैटर्न बना के यहाँ पे इसने ब्रेकआउट कर दिया था, एंड नाउ इट इज रीटेस्टिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर रेजिस्टेंस लेवल. So the trading plan in this will be at around CMP, which is 42. Stop loss will be 32, and target will be 70 in this case, which is the all-time high level for TV18 Broadcast. So this is cheaper stock. If you fail, then you can trade. Definitely, the risk is also defined. So yeah, this is all about the TV18 Broadcast. If you have learned anything, or if you have getting benefit from this video, then you can like this particular video. Also you can follow us on Twitter and Telegram. So these are the IDs. You can follow us there, where I am sharing market updates regularly. There is a disclaimer also with this video. Thank you guys.